Hey, Gary here with you. I've launched products on WarriorPlus. I've also sold products on WarriorPlus as an affiliate. There are some things that you need to understand about creating products. And I was taking a look at the top 5 transformation training currently being sold right now in a dime sale over at WarriorPlus. As of the time of me making this video, there's a link in the description to check out my bonus page. I'm taking a look at module 3, and it's called the money tree. Part 1 of this module is how far can you take your product, but really gets into the world, or brings me into this idea of thinking about what is it I need to focus on to create a product and launch it on WarriorPlus. How do you create a product? Well, here, if you look at what Kevin is talking about, and that's Kevin Fahey, the creator of the top 5% transformation, going over what he calls the money tree. If you've been following me, that's Kevin, for the past 15 years, you might notice that I release a similar system every 2 to 3 years. In 2013, it was a lazy affiliate method. 2017, IM funnels. 2021, free affiliate funnels. And then the ARM system, the affiliate results maximized, in 2024. All of these were super successful launches and all sold for months and years after launching as upsells, meaning he's able to take these products that he creates and then he creates funnels out of them, adds them into other launches of additional products. The point that Kevin is making is how far can you take a product, meaning that you have to create a product, then another product, then another product, then another product. And in this video, I want to show you 4 products and how, with my bonuses, I created this idea for these products and how you'd be able to actually create these and make them yourself. And here are the 4 product ideas, and feel free to take these product ideas and run with them. But check out the link in the description to get my bonuses, and I'll help you walk through this process. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly my thought process and the way I was able to take this information and focus in on this concept or this idea, these product ideas for 2025, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and thinking of breaking this down into one product a quarter, creating a product that I could launch. Product number 1, Mastering Membership Site Growth, a step-by-step guide. You can see here the source was volume 73, Membership Site and Ideas and Growth Strategies, and I'm going to show you these volumes because it's part of this launch and part of the bonus that I'm offering. But in Q2, you can see the product is Rebranding PLR for Profit, a Proven System for Success, volume 47 or 74, Rebranding PLR for Products or for Profits. Q3, FOMO marketing, and I'm going to dive into this a little bit and break this one down for you and show you exactly how you could create your own product using this as an example. Volume 78, FOMO marketing, and in here, Q4, AI-powered chatbots for marketers, automating customer engagement. These are the product ideas. Also had ChatGPT, and I did this with ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you that, create a product creation and launch schedule. And you see here that in Q1, we are going to create content for Mastery membership sites. And then in February through March, we're going to set up these marketing funnels, and we're going to actually do this. Of course, that's the LDT model, where you learn something, you do it, and then you teach it. And then on March 25th, you'll see here, Mastering Membership Site Growth on March 24th. And I'll walk through this, and you can see that this schedule is laid out. It provides a clear roadmap for developing and launching 4 distinct products, each based on your IM checklist resources. Your IM checklist resources, and that's what I want to dive into, the link in the description. The green button will get you the top 5% transformation. And of course, the first bonus I'm going to offer up for the top 5% transformation is access for 1 free year. So if you're already a member of the 30-minute marketing members only club, then you get an additional year when you pick up the top 5% transformation, as well as the affiliate takeover. The next one is a one-on-one focus session when you purchase the buy now or the sell now system. When you buy the sell now system, you will get to work with me one-on-one to set all this up. And of course, we'll do that using the 9-step roadmap, which is affiliating, building a profitable online business, utilizing the top strategy by setting up a traffic source first, understanding that you need an offer as an affiliate, or in this case, you're going to have your own offer, and we'll set that up. And then, of course, we'll add people to an email list, automate all this so it becomes passive income. And then we'll talk about profiting and scaling your business based upon what you're going to do here with bonus number 3 and where you're going to get the products that I showed you here in this product creation and launch schedule, as well as the product ideas that you saw right here. You're going to get those products inside of I Am Checklist, and that looks like this. I Am Checklist, once you purchase it and you get inside, you're going to be able to look at all these products, all these checklists. You can see here, volume 74, rebranding PLR for profits, was one of those that we saw over here. You can see right here, that was the second product that we're going to create in Q2. And we're just going to take that and let ChatGPT turn it into a product for us. And then you're going to take my bonus, which is plus vendor, which I'm also giving you resell or private label rights and white label rights to make this your own product as well. But it's going to get, or you're going to get my support to set up and sell your own products on WarriorPlus using these I Am checklists. And again, all of these are essentially products, or what Kevin has said in the top 5% transformation module 3, the money tree, thinking about how far you could take your products, building multiple funnels year after year after year, utilizing these products that you create. Of course, you'll need to update these products as needed, but these things pretty much stand the test of time of being evergreen. You just need to look at certain things or what might be happening in the world of, say, Etsy, or what's going on here in volume 76, building a website from start to finish. Maybe you're building a website on a platform like System.io, but things like the art of storytelling and FOMO marketing, these things are pretty much evergreen and pretty much always stay the same. Going back to, for example, like 1966, when Eugene Schwartz wrote this book, Breakthrough Advertising, which is still basically the Bible for marketing and understanding how to actually tap into people's desires to sell them products. So things like that are all available here, and that is part of the bonus that you'll get. You'll get the I Am checklist, or you'll get vendor plus vendor, my product that shows you how to set up and sell products on WarriorPlus. You'll get a one-on-one focus session. That's 3 days, 3 hours per day. You'll get access to my calendar. And again, that's worth way more than what you're paying for the Sell Now system. So you'll get my help to set that up. Of course, utilizing the 9-step roadmap to build a profitable online business, my proven top strategy. And then, of course, you'll have access to me directly inside of the 30-minute marketing members-only membership, or the members-only club, to include my Facebook group. Now, going back to this document and these product ideas, as well as this product creation and launch schedule for 2025, I created this by simply going to I Am Checklist and just copying all this information, just highlighting everything on this page, and then also deep diving into volume 78 FOMO marketing by downloading these PDFs, because what you get is you get all these checklists in PDF format, and I just combine them all into one giant checklist right here that you see, volume 78 FOMO marketing all checklist.pdf. I went to ChatGPT, and you can see here that I gave it a prompt, or I had a simple conversation and said, hey, I want a product idea, or I want 4 product ideas, as well as I want a product creation and launch schedule. And then again, you go back up, and I pasted all that information from this page right here, which listed all of the checklist, and ChatGPT with all that information. And I'll pause here, or you can pause here, and I'll highlight this so you can utilize this prompt yourself. From this list of checklists, give me an idea for 4 products I could create. I want to do a case study for 3 months, create a product on the results, and then launch a product. Learn, do, teach. I want to launch 4 products, 1 product a quarter of each year. You can reword that because I reworded it, or the way I worded it didn't make much sense there. But understand, we're talking about launching 4 products a year, 1 product per quarter. Give me a list of product ideas and a product creation, and a product to create, to include product creation and launch schedule for 2025. And then I said today is the 6th of September. That was yesterday when I did this chat. Today's actually the 7th of September. And I just fed it all of the checklist from that page that you can see right here. You just paste this stuff in, and this is what AI does. I use ChatGPT. You could use your AI of choice. Here is a structured product creation and launch plan for 2025 that we just walked through earlier, as well as the product creation and launch schedule, because yes, you will have to create these products, but you have all the information here inside of the checklist. Just like if you go to volume 78, FOMO marketing, you have all the information. Kevin has put together all of the information, understanding FOMO dynamics, identifying FOMO triggers, creating scarcity and urgency. This tells you how to do all these things. So you'll learn from the checklist, you'll do, then you'll teach by creating your own course, utilizing these checklists, taking it a step further because you have PLR white label rights to create a course out of all these checklists, and ChatGPT is going to lay that out for you. And you can see here that I did this. I had this conversation already. I simply just said create an outline to create a product and a case study for FOMO marketing, driving urgency and sales effectively using the attached PDF. That is all the volumes put together, all the different checklists, which is everything that you need to do. And then ChatGPT organized it for me and says, here's an outline for a product case study. Case study outline, introduction and your hypothesis, planning and setup phase, your key goals, your KPIs to track. These are all things that you'll learn from the checklist. Then you'll simply do the things because you'll see right here, the execution phase or the do phase, create FOMO campaigns, design a set of marketing assets, emails, ads, pop-ups, implementing FOMO strategies. Here are the examples. These are the things that you will do. You're learning right now. Then you're going to do it. Then you're going to teach it, or you're going to create a product and launch it because you're going to simply create a case study and report your results. You will present quantitative data. You're going to show the data, the things that happened to you as you were doing these, and then you're going to present your insights. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to provide your conclusions and recommendations. And then you are going to have, or the concept of future product development based on a case study, outline a strategy to create a FOMO marketing toolkit as a final product. The toolkit could include customizable templates, countdown timer, social proof notifications, email scripts, and case studies for businesses to use. Future product development, go back to top 5% transformation, the money tree. How far can you take your product? This is what Kevin was talking about, and this is the product that he's selling you inside of the top 5% transformation, showing you everything that he does in his business. And then I will show you exactly what you need to do to get traffic and show off that offer or show off the offers you're creating to launch them on WarriorPlus, and then add people to an email list inside of the 30-minute marketing members only membership, of course, utilizing my proven top strategy of traffic, offer, and people with the end goal to build an email list, get it all automated, and then think about profit and scaling your business. Going back to what Kevin is saying inside of the top 5% transformation, creating a money tree, thinking about how far can you take these products by creating the products that you're going to have done for you with the I am checklist, and then diving into just one example of I am checklist, and then going through that process. All right. And then you could do this also based on the product names from the top 25 products from WarriorPlus. So if you were to go over to look at the top 25 products, you can just go to WarriorPlus, look at the top sellers, look at some of these product names. Some of them are laughable, they're funny, but also understand that these product names work, they sell, people like them. There's a starving crowd of people that shop and buy these types of products, and you can create real information products, just like we saw here from all these different checklists, by using the LDT model, by learning, doing, teaching. Of course, you will have access to the LDT model inside of the 30-minute marketing members area. But then here are 10 products and suggestions for your FOMO marketing product. FOMO Profit Surge 2025, FOMO Cash Flow Blueprint, FOMO Funnels, Flash Sale Profits, Scarcity Triggers, PLR Masterclass. You just take all these and you just put them all together, utilizing what you learn inside of the top 5% transformation, which gets you my first bonus, which takes you through this process and takes you through all these steps. Also gets you direct access to me to think about what Kevin is talking about here in the money tree. Part 1, how far can you take your products? Think about that. Think about what it is you're going to focus on. The focus is you are going to create your own products. You may not actually launch these products in 2025. You might use them as a bonus, which goes back to what I talk about when I talk about the first 9 steps. You need to get traffic, so we'll pick a topic. Your topic is essentially going to be how to make money online. The tools and the tech and the time, you are going to see everything that you need inside of my 30-minute marketing members only training, as well as a training for the top strategy. We'll walk through creating consistent content, and then you could create a super simple lead magnet and you could promote affiliate products, or click the link in the description, because bonus number 2 is that you get the bonus of me working with you one-on-one for 3 days to set up traffic, to set up offer, to set up people, so you can sell the Sell Now system that you're going to buy from Kevin Fahey, which will become essentially your offer. So step 2 is going to be done for you, and you just check that off. And then on day 3, when we're setting all this up, and we'll get all this set up together in that one-on-one bonus, and we'll build your email list. And then, of course, then you can move up and use the I am checklist. And bonus number 3, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and sell on Warrior Plus utilizing Plus Vendor, or all the training inside of Plus Vendor that shows you how I've been able to make money as a vendor and as an affiliate. But really the focus is moving towards becoming a vendor, because let's be honest about it, that's where all the money is. Most people already know that if you want to be a better affiliate, you need to have your own products. And by better affiliate, I mean make more money. So check out my bonuses, link in the description. Pick up the top 5% transformation and all the other products that will qualify you for my bonuses. And I look forward to working with you one-on-one very, very soon.